The SmartHQ Service Customer Portal allows you to easily manage all aspects of your account from a single, user-friendly interface. To get started, you'll need to register your account by visiting service.dashboard.smarthqpro.com. Please note that registration must be completed before you can access SmartHQ service. Once this process is complete, you'll receive an email prompting you to verify your account. In the event that you do not receive a verification email, it is possible you already have an account. In this case, click Forgot Password and enter your email address to reset your password. A password recovery link will be sent to your email. You can now sign into the customer portal using your login information. Now, let's navigate the customer portal interface. Click My Profile to view your account information. Here, you will be able to change your password, edit your information, and add additional admins if needed. The My Technician section allows you to see everyone who has a SmartHQ service license assigned to them. From here, you can manage each technician individually and add or revoke licenses. Under Manage Purchases, you can see the total number of licenses you've purchased and how many are available. You can also purchase additional subscriptions and Bluetooth modules. For additional support, click the Help button located at the top of the page. Here, you will find additional content to help you manage your account. You can also click the Contact Us button to report an issue, provide general feedback, or cancel a subscription. If you have any questions, please email smarthqservice.support@geappliances.com.